Hello, this is Mark Hilliard from Beyond 20. Today I want to talk about one of the minor annoyances in Cherwell that I have found, especially when dealing with portal menu items, and that is, why do my images that I select for a portal menu item disappear when I edit them? Well, there is actually a simple answer to this, and that is, it's because the menu item itself, or the underlying command or one-step or dashboard that you're selecting, itself does not have the same image applied to it. So today I'm just going to show you quickly how to apply an image to any of those individual items so that it'll actually stick in your portal menu. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and go to our site manager, and let's just pull up our default IT page, and we'll go to our menu. So you see here we have some of these different menu items already here, and say I want to have home. Maybe it needs to have a different image. Well, I can change the image here. I can change it all day. Let's just, for the sake of this, say it's going to be a CD. And that changes here. And if I go away and come back, it'll stay. Back to my menu, and you can see the image still there. However, if I go in here and I find my home command, and I say OK, you see the image immediately pops right back to home. Now, for something like this, which is an action command, obviously, I don't have a lot of control over the image there. But for some of these other things, I have a great deal of control over it. Let's take, for instance, the public documents command. Now, there's a nice image here of what looks to be a little bit of a document. And if I go into the action here, yet again, you'll see I don't have an image associated. So if I click OK here, there goes my image. Now it's gone. And I can re-add it here as many times as I need to, whatever it needs to be. I'm going to go ahead and just pick print for now just so that we have something. But every time I go in here and edit this particular repository and click OK, it's just going to keep going away. So what I need to do is I need to give it a permanent image, and I do that by going to my options within that repository. And you'll see the custom image button here. I simply click into that, and I find an image that I like. Let's just say, I do a quick search for document, and some of these I like, some of them work out quite nicely. Let's just say document OK is my new image for this menu item. And now, from now on, it will default to that image. This is actually pretty helpful, especially if you start adding a lot of one-steps to your menus, because if you don't add custom images to each of those one-steps, then you're just going to get the two little footprints. And those aren't actually very helpful to people in the portal if they're looking for images to help them understand what they're about to embark upon. So, again, if you need to add additional actions to your menu, let's say it's a one-step action, and I want to do, let's just go find a useful global one here. I want to send a follow-up email. That one actually has an image, which is great. But if I just wanted to say, take ownership for self, then I would have to go in here again to my editor. And since I don't have a lot of real estate here, I'm going to have to shrink it way down. But you'll see at the bottom I still have an options button. If I go into my options, I'll see where my custom image can go. And again, now all I have to do is pick a custom image. Let's just say it's the about image. Now I have that associated with the one step, and from now on going forward, that becomes my custom image. So I hope this has been helpful in working around, again, something that I find kind of annoying, but it is a fairly simple fix. Once you figure out, once you've seen it done one time, you can do this for any and all other menu items in your portal. So thank you for listening and watching, and I hope that you will come and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beyond 20 LLC, and visit our website, www.beyond20.com.